Hello, I would like to explain about the replacement classes we'll be having between the 18th to the 31st of May. To understand it completely, we have to go back to March. MCO was announced on the 18th. We were operating all the way up to the 17th, but starting from the 18th to the 31st, MCO has caused us to be unable to hold normal tuition classes with you guys, where teaching you guys face to face in class. That feels like a very long time ago. Well, so we couldn't do that. Now, if we look at this time, right, it doesn't matter what day our tuition classes are, because you have, I mean, whatever it is, I will owe you two classes. Tuesday there are two Tuesdays, Friday there are two, so I owe you guys two classes, and I would like to replace those during the month of May. All right, because the situation currently calls for that. We cannot have face-to-face tuition class yet because there's a new ruling by the government that you cannot have more than 10 people in one class at one time, or one room lah. So just imagine the logistical problem we will be having, since some of our classes are quite big. Now, even to those classes that are small, like if there are less than 10 of you within a single class, and then you think, yeah, teacher, can we have those classes, can we replace them? Well, technically we can, but would your parents send you here? Would you want to be here? Let's think about our health and safety first. So we would like to replace those classes online in May. So I'm showing the May calendar now. Starting from the 18th to the 31st, we will be replacing those March classes. Okay. We have been having this MCO class all the way up to the third week, up to the 15th actually. I don't have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So if you have been paying those half month MCO fees, you've been supporting us through these trying times, thank you very much. Okay, we appreciate that. But starting from next week, for the next 2 weeks, right, you guys don't have to pay anything extra. That includes those who did not join during the MCO time, because this is part of your March fees, right? You have paid for those classes, and we will try to fit in everything nicely. However, because there's a Hari Raya here, and I'm not sure if there's a public holiday here. If there is, right, I'll try to avoid it. I'll try to make sure that we don't have to have classes during holidays. Uh, so we will probably do some discussion in the WhatsApp group to find a suitable date and time. But otherwise, I hope you understand the situation. Those who have not been around during MCO, I hope I get to see you guys again. If you cannot make it to the class because of timing problems, especially the Sri Cahaya students, then I will record the class while it's ongoing, and then I'll send them to you. I want to make sure that you guys get what you have paid for. Alright, so I hope you understand the current situation. We would like to replace them face to face, but right now it seems like very far away lah. We are not sure exactly when we will be able to have all of you guys in class again. So until then, we will just replace it with online class. So I hope to see all of you there. Alright, we are using Webex, so please install it if you haven't already. Learn how to use it, and hope to see you soon. Right? Until then, take care, stay safe, and wash your hands. If you have any questions, please ask me through WhatsApp. You know my number.